Alright, I'm back here with the Temu ratchet. And last one we split this handle. I just pushed it back down and it's fine now. But I was not expecting that one bit. But considering the fact I hit the rubber and not the actual metal, we're gonna go out for round 2 and see what happens. So, Temu ratchet. And we'll go from top side for now. So, hope I don't miss this again. Ooh. Oh. Well, that's come off again. Big goof. Bent this a bit. Huh. Let's see, what's this doing for the... Let's see, hold on. No way, it's still... Granted, not well, but it's still ratcheting. Goodness. I mean, that was a straight on, like a full-on accident. I mean, this handle's cooked now, so... But... Still, I mean... The fact that it's still even spinning is insane to me. Huh. Dang. This is actually better than I thought it was.